Good morning, country people. Them with the great all man for Cameroon. We don't should don't now for see how country in Waka. We salute those from Bongo and with the great those from Meme. We salute all man for that side for Northwest. We not forget those for side for Kumbo where they don't decide today. So peace you get for come for inside boy and with the salute too. Those where they go for inside in Kitunja where they don't should on now even plus the SDO. We salute to the new SDO for site for Donga Mantrum. We don't take power for that site for Dr. Simon Kwetindo. We're going to go for site for East Region, the SDO. Me enter for inside with strong number. Chapter 1 na palava this price for Kako. Where it don't go up for inside Cameroon and population for inside country. Then the over typeface. The typeface say this so now only for Cameroon. Where price for Kako it go up any minute, any second, and any month and any week. Say this so population they over suffer because they work, and then the money in the interview they could spend careless for this price them. So we will work inside Yaounde for check out whether not true or no, we not true. But we still say this so price for Kako it don't go up, and chop where they come on inside Cameroon the price it go up now. Minister. Where the local price for Kako for inside country. Also, sometimes it is for country, or sometimes it don't go worker. We go talk now about this boy where population for outside, they don't ride we say this so may we turn back for this palava for this boy where they talk for also he get 17 years for side for Bonaberi. And they talk for also this boy he died. They can't put him for mortuary for football. For inside Bonaberi, after they meet up this boy, where he should have upside on top chair. After we don't go here in Munyon with some woman, before he come now, time don't pass, he type for upside. LTM team, he return town, he worker, he go for mortuary. After he go for this boy, their family house, he go look at whether they say, Mommy, for the picking with authority, Mommy, he confirm, say this so. He be put the picking, and for inside mortuary and picking, he nobody laugh, he nobody talk. He didn't say this thing, now some montage. We come on now, we enter for side from Manfred. Where confusion be there for Manfred yesterday, they talk to this so entrance from market for side for Manfred. Fire a bomb, plenty shot them for that side as we see them. So plenty losses in for that side. Now we military, now we they don't come for that side for protect people and their property for side for entrance for market for side for Manfred. So they say this so. Plenty between them, they don't burn, but no man will not die. They talk now, we could come and go for side for inside to play with the column. Not samba, now inside conjure with population for that side. They say they so. They go now 7 years where they don't get water for that side, and they suffer plenty as water alive. So they talk say so all tap them. We come now for Cameroon, if we don't put them water with the flow. Say this so if we don't block all and they don't write can't paper, no person will not come, and even team for maintenance is no show head. So for that side, they suffer before they get water. We go take and cook up for picking. We again for go for school. We go on now for big massacre for inside Bongo subdivision. This population, they socially cry, they don't organize community work. So they tire for chapter for this road. They say this so. We cancel a try for look at this road because all cattle and all chop in the past for here. Now we chop, you don't go for Cameroon. If they will feel around the road, sometimes chop will come up for big massacre. Sometimes it will help the population for inside Meme division for site for Southwest Cameroon. We could come out again chapter for a battle where we don't fix, we don't show them tire. The road where they come up for site from Ndu, for carriage for site from Campbell before they pass go for site from Mr. J. The first is on the shine now, and all man for site from Campbell and for Donga Manton, all man don't smile because transport now it get for drop down instead for come up for site for play the call for Mark Bagori for site for Campbell for 15,000, 20,000. Small time it will be even now 5,000. So now so the road if we will walk as we be show them. Me we see now as they don't start the fix them. All man he is glad see to fund them for inside Donga and Mantum. All them they are glad because development it come for the onside now. They say they so come good for Nkambe town. Now there's still way that big book it talk. Now road that where it don't start the change phase as we see them. So all man it talks so small time contact it go enter for inside message Wait, you don't come up for side for Kumbo, pass from do, pass from me here, lower but upper but, and then go pass for side for Binka, reach for Binshwa before reach from Cambe, and then Amtan Cambe now, it go reach for side for Akweto, before it reach for side for Mr. You go reach for place where they call them for Dumbo before it go reach for Bisola. So now so the road it could work. So all man it glass so as the road go pass. Plenty company them, you could do for that side now. We go talk now, another one. Now this one way, don't get the new SDO, now new SDO. Don't know if it happen now for grandstand for side from Cambe. Way number one for Northwest, they call him now governor. For Northwest, Lele Afrique, now SSF, if we go for go put this man for your position 30, Simon Door, where it will be SDO for Donga Mantum, it could go now for Ace region, like SDO. So now so before Musanga, where they don't get now time this way this countryman, it take power, and then we will get with governor for Northwest, Lele Afrique, Adolf, it go talk after we don't put this man for chair. When we finish now, we go get with Honorable. Honorable Ngala Gerard. Honorable Ngala Gerard, where Naibe MP will return up for people and for side from Cambe. Now in that, USSF, he get talk for Blue Arm, and it talks so me Cambe people them and don't go into division population, may they remain calm because Nasai peace is and now for years. Now, starting from now, we will go see how development is enter for the oldest division for inside country. Science story a toxicity. Science story for sharp morning time. It tell we say, if you see Pekin, it cry the point your finger for some place. If you mamino come up for the papa, it could come out for that place. If you see Pekin, it cry the point your finger for some place. If you mamino come over that place, you papa go come out the person will say na boy pandinta it is should for that side for Lassen quarter where they call and say Njongo for that side for Lassen village, and woman will support them Mass Cecilia a support them for side for Lum edena inside Mungo, and Mungo for littoral edena inside Cameroon. Now we know we come back when I will see them all. So anyhow, they will be told when I say this so all this time them as the technician we it ever control Facebook page, you know they around because your body you know the select better. So now only when it will come back we when I go to get we for site for Facebook. But for now, you feel only get we now after the program you get we for YouTube channel NJANGI House for YouTube channel. Go for it now and then you go follow wait way it be passed yesterday. So anyway, interval for chapter 1 now Parava price for Kako for Cameroon. But two when I make time people that the inter farm. They say petrol you don't climb. From 7 something you go for 8 something. 8 and something for 1 liter. And we will talk so we love this country as the right time for that signboard for some junction for Cameroon and for inside Yaounde. For population will take taxi go work. Taxi people then they don't get their own price for up. Or the people then they don't get their own price for up. And then those when they get agency, they get their own price for up. Anyway, they ask and say they so minister where the control price for inside country. He dey sleep or he dey up. Because normal. The minister don't bring price for petrol, they never bring price for taxi, and he never bring price for Okada. He never bring price for up for agency them. But come here from van, say you want go Douala, you go yes say this so you go pay 4-5, and wait before be 3-5. Some agency they take 5,000. Now when we ask Mr. Minister, what is this population for Cameroon they work for they spend this kind of money? That minister for Cameroon, one man she don't, you skin fine he your group talk, me people they follow. Now, when I don't get now, when I don't open a Dumont, road for people then for decide for to do their own thing. He say rice, he say they sold the bag for rice be 12,000. Now it don't go for 20,000. Some people they say that 17,000. Irish potatoes, cocoa, where the top of inside country, price to it don't climb. I don't know who don't pay them for make the primary climb. Granite oil, granite with the granite with the common of the farm. it come out for 1,100, it goes straight for 1,700. Ha! I say now, 1 kilo, half kilo for fish and meat. For come out for 1,500, you don't go now for 2,500. No man, you know, any when you get 100 francs, you buy a mbonga, the chopper. Mbonga now, you don't come out for 100 francs, it climb for 500 francs. Red oil, where you know the plan banga? How does the manga match up? It turn red oil. Let my brother emphasize for Batibo. Say oil don't come out for 1,000 francs, it don't go for 1,700. I be ask Christian when they so all these price when they don't add them. This population for Cameroon, they go get the money for side. Spaghetti be there now how much? 375 after I go 500. Go for 25. Go for 500. Now I go for 600. I ask question. Why when I suffer with the population and the population too, when I say so when I overthrow and when I says yes, because they go high price. So time for campaign, they go time you when I want beer, give when I want bread. Ask for the inside when I go vote again for them. And again, when the vote don't finish, they don't win, they go match winner. They go match winner. How did the match up now? I think even pepper, yellow pepper, 100 francs. And where they will put now 4 and 5 for 50 francs. I be ask them, where when I carry this country to go with them? This country to go on the both side. Many they don't get price for Kako. Many they don't get price for Kako. Now for suffer the population. Now for suffer this population for Cameroon. When I so begin to accept, they take the one beer, they drink up. They take the one bread. When I go shop bread for how many years? And as soon when they complain, why they get the price for up? Why you say they vote? They cost now when I now they try way for get taxi. Taxi man say no, the price now only 500, 600. 500, 600 again for inside Yaounde way, distant and far so. You take taxi for Santa Barbara, for go for Mvan, and then they say you don't come out for village, for Trades village, for Douala, for go for Souza. Try, man go inside. We don't have a site for Douala for those way they don't give command, just say me we turn back there. This boy they say we will go with the friend of go enjoy for some business place for inside Bodabiri, where they go make filming inside. What I don't know for people, don't ask me, go as a parent. So the last carry for the inside the water we don't die. They bring that for Simek for Sibek mortuary for site for Bodabiri. Opposite my man Kwasa in on place, Mr. Paulo. After that they put it for inside. This boy don't make 1 week. He says, whether na Anna, or na Angel, or na Lovely, or na who, say don't promise it. He come on for inside mortuary one time. He said they so get for attend the rendezvous will be get time with yes, with his girlfriend. Anna. Now you don't go now. He Nang after he chop soya, he talks about so he will go Douala and confirm and phone but he want to reach for site for Santa tire fire. I said this mother chop soya. Sometimes time for enter for mortuary if you don't pass man no. They end up now. They don't cover them. After the Roman tradition. Say go wake up. They don't time for the one time on top chair. And that chair na chair way wash night way in the guide mortuary for Sibek in the ever she don't do. Why they don't just say no she don't eat for that chair again? Lie to lie, say no today. I say woman they go show with danger. Woman they don't start to sleep with people the way they come up from mortuary. Me any man picking low cut. If when there you go for South of Kenya, try go buy you that dress. When an iron dress became a wearer because they don't bad. Well, this time no man go see all thing. Then you say when you work as some people and they don't die. Now why they ever use some statement say no see every man the worker for road with head. You remember saying a person. So one man a person when I don't see him. Because one man went to him and they talk, some not believe. As we be Thomas, go back for inside your room for inside mortuary. And I wrote for all man more enter mortuary. Yes, whether you be rich man or you be poor man, you must enter. So the best thing for this thing well now say, may you be a good Samaritan. One person cry for you, you hell me. Tell me camera be coming now for LTM for God for you because I get for CM before you believe. Now mortuary that. For Sibet. Because some don't believe oh. Mortuary that for Sibet. Yes. Countryman, you be there for side now the boy this. This young boy. This boy will ever be for side for and send that voila. Presbyterian hospital for side for Sibet. Population can't turn out. Say the for sleep before they believe. And now some countryman before send for social media. Before people they started. Police is the same way. Say they so they work for back collect and the day for checkpoint they collect. Police you don't fear for go for corner diamond. So police when they fear to when I fear to okay. So police in the tunnel in a different side. Their body the different side. But even being a team man, where they don't catch a turn put them on top chair. Policeman for don't go wipe him says say no along or commissariat. Says that man. Policeman said no. This one when man don't die, he go come out. If I want catch him now say this so me the make investigation. So sometimes go tell me go. Hey! So this man last the last body for inside, back for inside the mortuary. And plenty people when we talk to them so mortuary attendant they get for common dark cops. We they go put them for different mortuary because the boy if he bring confusion for that place. Man wait for corner. Now watch night for that mortuary. That man wait there for corner. Yes, that short man. Now he way by man don't she don't on top of his chair. And this boy don't talk to so go up and down, you know, if she don't eat again for that chair because you don't know what to wait. That man don't put up for that chair. All for this country, he get risk, countryman. He get risk. So anyhow we dey risk dey inside. Any man look him. Now, we come out that one now. Now the watch not that. He say this so he no fit she don't for that chair. He don't decide. Put na some matter for down the sleeping for this. Say no. That chair they so they more broke them or they burn them. Say no one is for that chair. How this guy man who can't choose that chair? Now time this way we go for the family compound. Yes. Now mommy that. Now mommy for the boy. And they explain and say no, you picking me die, you go put up for mortuary. But this thing way it is him. It didn't say now something way the one tonton say some kind of man or a man of God them they don't pass back this thing. We leave that one now. We go now for side where they call him now for not samba. Not yes, we go for side for Manfi. Fire! I say fire where we happen for side for entrance for market for side for Manfi. It be na helele. After we keep people them for side for Manfi. Now accident can happen. Now fire. Didn't let people in the time where for carry the kako. Those where they carry back hear them. Those where they don't have license. Where they distribute for look Ndamba, how African Nation Cup they pass. Military them now, they don't attend, they don't come for them for time when the fire they happen. Now anyway, some man ask and say, General, not be there where they will keep people military don't become for time. I say ask not them, not they ask who me. Yes, now so when I say ask me question, when my answer and ask more time they go talk say now he be answer. No, whether they come time for time or they don't come for time, me I be general way in the work and I will broom. I know the worker me will gone. Them the worker will gone and not get me gone. Oh. So ask the question for them, say why they come for fire early. Yes, now check them that. Man the find way. Those where they get their office or their place for photocopy. Oh, people. They say plenty don't burn inside. Plenty don't burn inside. They only carry and chair them. Yes, they only for carrying a chair because on top of that chair they should know for doing mimbo. Since that mimbo on a tea for inside country. Yes, military we go for them for protect me. They not treat people that kako. Yes, because of man will carry and so say no. I want to be my sister. He will carry and so go past the pass. Mayor for Manfa Council, Mr. Robinson, Tabenchon, Ashu. Now with the talk so he don't go for the for go talk Asha. For country people them where they don't lost that been make for inside this fire. Fire come up for outside. Now question. We don't have a side where they can say from Samba for inside conjure. Palava water and water the life. Sometimes water to they don't bring the price for water to for all man of you know. Because it be possible for we for Cameroon for just price for water to for up. I say this when we talk so as we don't start the pass, that means it's more time, all things could they find for that side. Water na the time back. Yes, calm water. Now tell them this. Water the drop? No. Water the drop for them, they say no. More than 7 years. They don't write paper for Joe. Write time for mayor. Write time for SDO. Write time for governor. Can't reach today. No man never pass. And for Cameroon, we sabi go fix something, but we will not go make the maintenance. We sabi fix something for Cameroon, where team will be go down for maintenance, no go day. As this stadium them, where we don't face for Cameroon, it's fine. But maintenance go day, na question. So, population of that side for Ngoma 1, Ngoma 2, Dosamba, they suffer. Now they tell them that they pass time for organized community work for clean the area. But water they drop, then say no, they go do it now. Now so it is. We don't see them. We don't have again for Southwest for big massacre. Big massacre now inside Mbonge subdivision. They say that's all the runway before for December. It don't make a now motor they don't tight for inside mud. If road for that side for big massacre, it did this kind of condition. That means a road for Mabunji. For going for the teaching today on the how. Where they don't lie, we say they so they don't tell them. Okada, I don't transport well for site for big massacre. Well, Coco the commode, coffee the come out, yam the come out, cocoa yam the come out, plantain the come out, granite the come out. But condition for road. So they beg the mayor. Say they so sideway, they make sideway for camp. Can't see how the population will suffer. Now this population will vote you the mayor. Now this population will vote you the parliamentarian. Where will I go? Now time this way the population need winner. Now time this way the population for site for big massacre, they need winner. Some when I come under with caterpillar, try way for make up me then get a road for the pass. When I go solve and solve the time for campaign, rice is available, whether the price they up, they go also bring them for. Since I put to, we don't know whether the price don't go up, they go also bring them for. Sardine is there for Cameroon and dessert, where they go put her inside with a chop, and then vote them again for another 7 years. And the answer, time for vote. When I know say this person never will fine. When I social vote them, why? For the give complaint. And when we want complaint, for corner the mayor, or parliamentarian complaint for you, when I the corner, where General MOKO, you receive place. See, we all vote. The time when you want to vote, you call me for Assam. When you want to vote, call me. Don't say me, I vote for this man. If I tell you no, you vote for different person. The time for vote, say when I don't go take beer for back. Some they take money for 9 night for go vote person. And we not go do the work. And when I that for inside mud, let mud fish. Ha! When I never see them. Another road. Where we were. Now so to the man is show them. Now the one from Kambe. For coming from nobody from Kambe. Now so it be the pass. Now so it be the happen. Now so it be the happen. When I know to what happen, that means all ended them for inside Donga Mountain Division. Mr. Just subdivision, the ended them, they be right. After subdivision, they ended them to the right book. The one from one ended them right book. New the right book. Kambe Central, the right book. Donga right subdivision, they join the blue talk. For minister, when the look at work them for Cameroon, say we wrote in the worker. And this one that the oldest division where they created them for 1954. Cameroon now they don't get Kunta. Now you want to remember the dump them. They blew up, they show up. Minister when the look at work, he say this so countryman. Road again for go for Donga Mountain Division. Go up, come down. Whether sun they shine, whether rain they fall, the road again for pass. Now you don't choose 3 company for take the road. The one way go come up from there for go to for side for Mbamke Kai for Kumbo. company day, when I be go born, you caterpillar them, and I be one winner. The one way they take them from being here, for go to time for Benju for police station, a day. The one way they take them for police station, go to for Mr. J, a day. So now 3 company then, they don't take the route. Leave them. Me we see now how the road day now. When I don't say no, we don't talk so take go find now. We will go from Kambe see countryman. Yeah, we'll see how they don't fix the route. Welcome from Kambe. Now in that. They say we will come from Kambe. See now we don't work up inside mud. Then mud fish. Now government for Cameroon don't come up with a mud. Now in that. When I don't see the road now. When I don't see the road now. Now for make a move, I'm not saying so. Every side where peace a day, development go for pass for day. Now that I say that the road that way when I first see about Porto, see how the road will be now. See how the road will be now. Nothing that when they talk so anything for inside house. If you give a picking for us and when they picking for us, it like the family, it go fix and fine. This company them all now picking on that side for donor mountain division, they don't give them the contract. And they don't show the people and say, we get a fixed road for we place in the proper. Now they wrote that. Now they wrote that. You see, road don't change one time. So I will never show now because in no time, I go want the show when I road, I go show now again, now contact with the wrong contact. When I don't see this company then they show now pepper. Only the way where they work. So with the time, all the 3 companies that we never call the name because we do not get money for pay advertisement. Yes, if we call the name now, they don't go pay. That means say na trouble don't enter me skin now. Company where they be born caterpillar them. Worry, my jealousy people. I'm sure they say this, whether they born them or they not born them, there are problem. Well, Shani, yes, whether Shani view, yes, now talk that. So we can. The parliamentarian for side from Ndu, the mayor from Ndu, the mayor from Kambe, the parliamentarian from Kambe, parliamentarian for Aku, mayor for Aku, parliamentarian for Mr. J, mayor for Mr. J, parliamentarian for side from Wa, and mayor for side from Wa, where they don't join with the LTM, so to the make their route is don't define. From Kambe now, we go now for grandstand for go meet up Ngando. Let me say, okay, the way we pass. Simon Kwati Ndo, Lele Lafik, where the governor, and this countryman, we don't just take power. Yes. Now we don't take power on the SO for side for government division. Correct. Now governor that for North and West region, where he get for put this man for chair. Correct. Power. Osa Dr. Nkweti Simon Do, na in that. This man when he come, yes, this man when he go so. Yes, for calling him for red close. Now Dr. Nkweti Simon Do, we don't work for Donga Mountain Division, the SO. So take all man, he confirm. Yes. Mr. George, now he take power. Baziliki, Mr. George Baziliki, now he take power now. SDO for Donga Mountain Division. I don't feel it take up. Correct! March! Left, right. Salute gendarme, salute police, salute army. Yes, they want to order them for prison from Kambe. Yes, salute order early them. Correct! Who's honorable? Ngalaje that day. Salute you face because now you be MP for that side we don't bring peace for inside Kambe. Yes. Well, Mr. Delegate. Cha, you don't go far for that side, eh? TD man we don't come for this side way small. See only Cha. Chop there from Kambe we not a small one. Yes. Take power. Yes. Dio for Ndu and Dio for Mwa. Dio for Mr. J. Dio for that side, yeah, for Ako. Yeah, you say don't go for that side, countryman. Yes. Now, Mami then this for church and Christian them, where they will go church with Kweti Simon Do, it don't give power. Now, anyway, go church, one time for Tangi, give ye and your wife. So that when they want to go for East region, let SDO will go put up for that office. And I don't see Dr. Mpeti, Simon Do. Yes. Yes, now gospel. Say this man don't come up, but don't go Mountain Division. All man they cry. This Dr. Simon Kwetindo say where you go so we go do how. This man we don't come so he go understand we. I say all man he come with on spirit. Yes, all man he come with on spirit. Sometimes this man will come find again. Yes, after we don't give post, he don't come now. They talk with the people them. Well, Dr. Petty Simon Do, me ask him now for governor for Northwest Cameroon. Me tell we, you don't go put this man for that side for chair. Wait, you better the message for you as people that they enjoy. Talk me we here, Mr. Governor for Northwest.
We are coming here to witness with the population of Lower Mountain Division the installation of the new SD of this division. Immediately the head of state was informed of the abduction, instructed the security agencies under the coordination of administrative authorities to make everything possible to release him. Thanks to the professionalism of the security, the defense forces, thanks to the collaboration of the population and the bravery of the abducted has been released this morning, and we are therefore appealing the population of the Northern region and of Donga Mountain Division, which is a peaceful division, even if we still have some difficult spots, to continue mobilizing themselves under the administrative authorities to give information to the security forces to shun up from this division, those that are still perturbing the peaceful environment that is reigning in this division, in the borders and in some major communities. That's the reason why we are rejoicing today, but we have to be vigilant. And I call it the population the same way they contributed to the release of the DO, to contribute the same to release all those that are still kept by those terrorist groups.
Ok, maintenant en français.
Okay, live on, countryman, live on. But I don't hear. That means the show said they be kidnapped some Joe for that side. But they be kidnapped the Joe now after the installation or now before, because I know they understand. Anyhow, we did. We ask them now for Honorable Bala Gerard, when I be MP from Cambe. Countryman, when I don't get new SDO, wait, you the parliamentarian, you get for talk for the population from Cambe and for talk to for the new SDO. When I yet in way, parliamentarian from Cambe go talk.
We are a peaceful division. We are patriotic. We want that our wish be granted. We recognize that a lot has been done. We recognize that a lot has been given to us, but like our trees, we come in and ask for more, especially in the far northwest region. Thank you.
It will happen for that site. power. No, you know say this, so you don't come now for place where peace is day. Yes. You don't come now for place where peace is day. This order no day for that side. So with the time the Wimbom Force Union where they be there for that side, we dey salute the fund from Jap Village, the fund from Kambe, and the fund for site for Tala, fund for that site for Kungi, fund for Binshwa, and fund for Binka. We salute to the fund for Mbot and the fund for Chup Village. We all them they be there for that site. Live and countryman. Me we still should not quiet now because they say this so after Ngando something happen. And some people they talk say no now before Ngando where the thing happen. Governor don't talk and say this so he be very happy how they don't release the duo for Bamina 2 where they kidnap him for site for Ntombo. According to the news where in the inter for social media, say they be kidnapped duo for Bamina 1 from Ntombo village under new subdivision as he be come out from Gando for site from Kambe. So the matter we will go for hospital for go see because the man say this so he don't trek 10 kilometers with a foot. Countryman say they be kidnapped the duo with some 4 people or 5. How they release a duo and then the other people in the for site. Countryman duo, how the matter pass when I hear you will talk.
Yes. So it was God's grace that I managed to escape.
Indeed.
In the night. So I've trekked for 10 hours. Yes. So it was God's grace that I managed to escape.
Indeed.
In the night. So I've trekked for 10 hours.
So now for no one that we will be get time for now. Now I will give you a talk with condition. I will give you a talk with condition. Me mano last get some trouble because it is shown I say small time we will get trouble because small time we go off this this time we will give now for say me when I participate for the program small time we will give now for some person we could pay for pass for that that time. So in this we will start the inform now because we don't give the time, but when I don't take the time to make na play it. So better than say me we sell the time for some person. Yes. So now me any man they prepare yourself say small time. It could just the year nothing where we talk, the sitting where we show them, but small time no not go there again like calls because when I talk when I want call when I off volume for TV, some people them they instead add na the volume. So small time we could set the 15 minutes for different person. First caller, I be supposed to respect yourself. Hello, countryman. So me the rest for the other side. At the time when I say for Cameroon, not just see person with the worker and then you confirm say you don't see na person. If it be a different thing. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Who there for now inside the concert? Yes. I do hear you.
I want to talk about Madam Big Room, that price for that deal with the Joseph Adam. I want to talk about say, I don't know what the governor, I don't know what the happen. Even 1 year the election come, the government is make of the shipping. Then he keeps saying, oh, we can go stand for food. The very government. That the point that they answer. Now you want to play come on the big camp. We don't take anything, we just so here we come. The any come on, we know they don't register for food. Me private for it food, so that food will make up choose which way we can reach. We come on, me give us one that. Thank you.
Thank you. This man am away the reason. But I don't see someone call, he don't go for play with quiet. Hello? Yes. The other confusion people and now they're going to come. Hello?
Yeah, hello, good morning.
Morning, how are you?
It's fine. I'm not going to tell you this for the beginning
If you give me your name and the side with the call, you know the intern for hotel where any man just be free for inter. Give me your name and the side with the call.
I think what you say, I'm my name,
okay, now start the news back.
Yeah.
Okay. If you follow me tomorrow for 10 o'clock, I will start and back.
Okay.
Good morning, countryman. We salute all man. We watch the program for Kake, and we salute all man for big for that side for my 14 and my 15. We salute all man for side for Boya. We salute those for Tollgate, and we greet all man for Bunduma. We salute all man for my 17. We salute Limbe. Yes, we salute all man for side for NJANGI. Hello. Good morning, countryman. Okay. We salute all man for side for Bagosan. We greet all man for side for Tombel. Yes, we salute all man for Tombel. Yes. They know they ever miss the program, although they know the call. We salute now Bangan people. Hello?
Sorry.
I don't know, sir.
Yeah, no, don't go, Manfi.
Oh, Mr. Adova, yes, sir. I don't want all man for Manfi.
Master, Utango.
But when I get firefighters for side for Manfi, no?
We don't get firefighter for Manfi. We don't delivery firefighter for Manfi.
Oh, yeah, Asha. So what you ever tell me for that side, countryman?
Yes, I want to talk about that DOA. Hero free for this. How about that?
Yes.
Yes, I want to thank God for that deal.
Okay.
But the government stop for the way to understand and say that they don't move that deal. Now, God move that deal.
Ah.
Yeah, no, God move that deal.
Ah. Anyhow, now when I go in them for Cameroon, me I'll be stranger. Hello? Hello? Where you want to respect the laws? Hello?
Hello?
You feel respect the law?
Hello?
We take another person. Hello? Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Who do you call the person there for which part for country? Okay, for Ghana.
Yes.
What you got to tell me for 20 seconds?
I want to say I will beg God for you, not follow the religion.
Yes?
Then I will answer to say, we said other four or 5 people who with you.
Okay, thank you. Another call on the line. Hello? 65060848. May we talk now. Good morning, countryman. Hello? Hello? Yes?
Good morning.
Morning. Number way.
I call from Sancho na Paloma.
Yes, for Sancho. How for Sancho?
No, the number for Sancho is fine.
Yes, what do you give?
I want to talk about that price they will see them.
Yes.
Too much. It's not really easy. At 2 we run war too. We can't reach for yet to price the high, so we don't know how we will compete with what in them. So we just get government maybe try for LMV into that price there.
Government not here. Thank you, eh?
I tell you all my potato.
Okay. A good woman this. Get sense. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Who do you call the person there for say you get now only 20 seconds, sir? We salute all man for side for Tonga, and we salute all man for Banganti. We salute all man for that side for Fumban. Hello?
Hello, MOKO.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
Oh, we did.
Huh? Now, God, who did talk so?
Thomas.
Yeah, Mr. Thomas. You don't agree that Thomas so true because Thomas he don't disappear after he appear after he want see before he believe. Thomas, he come for that side from Tambe for Kongi. Wait till you go for talk.
Yeah, now that's for Joe. You don't make the team don't make like the work on all the speed Joe for person but not in a fighting. I don't see they don't come out for the ball.
Thomas have a business, no?
No, I'm in Nigeria. You come after it today.
Anna. So
Yeah.
Mr. Thomas. So yes, people away they don't know Mr. Thomas. They will see you tomorrow for 10 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
Any man we don't know Mr. Thomas, yeah, because some people they talk say,
Hello. Good morning. How are you?
Now God.
How are you now, Papa?
When I say we will die for Yaounde, but we still there alive.
No, we're not that hungry.
Well, when they outprice any minute for say me will do how.
No, I want to about that the deal with that with the Ulambo road.
Yes.
What I want to is all that people them where not believe them for that governor. If they don't tell you just begin one come back, not don't contact people the way you put them so it will still be like that problem with the people, man. You know what that? You guys say that don't that begin them, they beg them, they leave that other people there. Let me say they will tell one man that begin to live, one man will be back to the state they will push. They want find though.
Now who they talk now, Dr. Wanko?
Now you that way you understand.
Thank you. Hello? Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
We did it. Who they call the person for that?
Not tanto, the cover boy.
Yeah, tanto for Buya.
Yes.
How about we on the whole continent?
Papa Buya, not country for man part. We just look at that, so we thank God.
I don't see how road for your own village, it don't start to change.
I tell you, no, it don't start to change. Nothing done better more.
That means say we go for thank government for the work.
We get to thank government, thank government for you and our part of the
Yes. So what did you get for talk for 20 seconds? Hello? Hello? Then they say Mr. Tanto, it don't go. We take another person again. Yes. Tomorrow, that Friday, I will announce it for Friday with the ever get stranger than for inside house. Me, any man knows it tomorrow, they know they ever participate in the program. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, Papa.
Who they call the person later for which place?
Claudine Volume.
Huh?
Claudine Volume.
Oh, not Claudine for Limbe. How for Limbe this morning?
Oh, did not come up, Papa. I don't want to Papa. I'm afraid to Kako.
Where did you pass now?
I said, the driver coming in 150 or what price? 150.
If you maybe now how much?
If you maybe now 100, 150. All right. Thank you, Papa. I'm going to know for the beginning of
only the pain I pay. God will do a chop. Hello? Good morning. Hello? We salute Mr. Carter. Mr. Carter, we a manager for a community radio for site for ACO. You know they miss the program. Hello?
Hello.
Hi there. Who they call the person there for side?
Mr. Adi Girlfriend,
man. I don't see our youth, national youth president for Eshimbi. He don't develop all sites.
Okay, that's all.
And they go get a meeting for site for a year and wait for day they go be in their hall. You know. Top. Yes. Yes. Nothing wrong with the Siam. Kumanja man, this thing not passy. Hey! We will do all. We decided Mr. Zegolov. Mr. Zegolov, we president for Wikoda Douala town. Hello? Hello? And with the salute to Chief Bakari, the third way there for that site for Douala, it watch the program, you know they miss am all time. Dr. Maji. Dr. Maji, I be tough for you say on your brother they way. 20 things and then we get for give and for we. Can't read now, you know what I am. Wait till the pastor Dr. Maji. Hello?
Yeah, hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning, how you doing?
Oh, fine, I'm standing from Douala.
Yes, wait till you never talk quick.
Yeah, I want to talk about that flight for today with the other too.
Yes.
Yes. But Gabon government don't see and see matter. But when they have flight for today, taxi, now we need to pay taxi.
Yeah, no, because people will pay tax after they don't pay again.
Yeah, General MOKO, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Who recall the person government for which country?
Yes, Richard. I am LTM for entire Douala town. Thank you.
Yerima Richard be still there again alive.
I will sit there and say, you know, say, Palava, NJANGI, General MOKO,
Oh, Mr. Yerima Richard, you recall for Douala and for which quarter for Douala countryman?
Yes, I call for Carrefour Casino right now. Yes. Just for calling for Corner Maureen Bar. That's looking for more.
Yes.
Yes.
What did you wait for talk with you in our countryman?
I said, General MOKO, wonderful thing to come on now for Douala. You see that? That body will come on for Bonadel and I really on that too. I take my eye top response. So, this way, they don't go to a head too. So, I advise, tell them, let them be very careful because if the years don't will come on, if you give more, you will not say, do you know, for the country. So, you will feel like, that Nigeria thing would never make up. I say that true, General MOKO. I fear. I can't go night, I feel unable for sleep for night. General MOKO, I declare advice for picking them. What will they come today? Let them look up, let them be very careful. Because you want to for outside, I say run back, General MOKO.
Okay, Mr. Yerima Richard, well, you don't give advice for all get them. Give advice for your own country, get them where they pass that time for answers on them, Kololo. To give them two advice.
Yeah, General MOKO, I want to think as you so I don't pass for that time for my share when it is in place. I see plenty of them sit on the local. I say let them know the thing they share because the thing they share for social media. For all group the way, this is for general meeting. All kind of group the way, one country get them pay for this. I say let them, all man, we know you don't see this video. You know, then that means you go back that to with their body.
So, salute we all man will watch the program for side for Carrefour Casino for now.
Thank you, General MOKO.
So, with the salute to Shane Newbell and with the salute to Tangwang. Yes, Tangwang and for Felix. When Tangwang for Felix, when a head teacher for primary school, for Tamperus for side for Newbell with the great all man for that side with the salute to. Those were the day for Munkam with the salute all man for side for the for Mary Douala Desire with the salute. The Joe for Douala too. Hello?
Hello, General MOKO.
Yes, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Talk with power, we want to get you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, yeah, I'm now you call for inside.
We call from one team, my name is NJANGI.
Okay, you call from one.
Yes.
Okay, how from one today, so.
No, one day fine.
Please don't come for that side, no?
Yeah, please don't come fine.
Let you go for talk, we'll hear you 20 seconds.
I want to continue that my way, come on, catch up there and then go back to. They don't be able to take it back to mortuary. They will be able to bury you one time, no be able to carry go back from mortuary.
That is as if they for mortuary, if you go still come on again, watch up so, yeah?
Yeah, you come on to watch up part.
Anyhow, we day. Countryman, Mr. Francois, leave him. Me man not call again. Leave him, the program don't finish. Me will send a message for upside. First message where we get for send for upside, one of we correspondent, it don't start them. Yes. Yerima Richard winner iPhone NJANGI asked for Douala, it don't start the give advice. For you all sister them and brother them because all them they pass that time for side where they call and say and send Sonen Kololo for New Bell. One person go for car, basi, go tie one bolong, or go take tire for person. Money when they go give for you, it go take the motor again, say one go test the tire. Fair, just go now for answer Sonen Kololo and when go dress for the man will get motor the call, you know the grade for pick again. because he get a rendezvous with woman. Any woman where you see for bar for sharp morning time or for daytime, that means say no get no work for work. He on work and he on place where money to come out. Now number 3 foot will not be normal. God will create woman and man. Say man and woman they must join for form their own family. Not enough for sell skin. So give this talk for your meeting house. Say a messenger for God don't talk. If you want tap them, I'll give you 5 seconds. Me prepare your tap for tap the voice because in this same voice it get to go viral. Come where I say any woman where it don't decide for the say his skin, now crime where it commit a time because God will not be credit for go to say his skin for person. God be credit for say me a man, me and a massa they begin to form their own family because mommy and papa where they be join for born you. If they will do like this kind of what we do now, no you know for come out. So when I say that when a meeting has say it don't bat, price for people don't go up. December danger there for upside for snacks and obliging. When I don't see wait we don't pass for Bonabidi, me any man look out. You know no person where you go in for inside room with ye. Not just see person today because you get money, carry you go with them for hotel, carry you go with them for inside your house. You could go transform before you could know say water and a for they get one color. Now only time we put them for mobile you could know the difference. Another one that send me when I no cut because bad money it is circulate again for upside. When I talk say bad money, it confuse people them. Me I really enter inside. Bad money na money where they don't take and go print them, photocopy money, and then take the photocopy money, they work at the share and for inside market. Then they buy Mimbo without counterfeit. Go for market, buy chop with counterfeit. Now time where mommy want go back for house or papa, they go discover say money where they give in a bad one. When you sell, get some more cup for water. When they give you money, just choke on inside. If you come a color back and for the person, no keep money after you go cry losses. Yes. So me when I look up now, when I know say this so 11th February, it is only for who knows. How you are picking time? See where they get for go match. Papa and mommy they will want go match when I follow when I picking them for control them because now they will picking them that they ever disappear. Man way yeah, you don't hear. We on only for send message. We thank now where they can say oh, we thank a person where they can say Mr. Francois. Now he says the match button all this time, and now he says they try for say me when I follow the program, and me when I know say so when we don't finish when I get for follow we for the YouTube channel. If you want to get any information, go for YouTube channel. NJANGI house, Jod Nak NJANGI house, you will see all things. Command, yes. So with the time to Mahaja where they should have for Fred Aripona picking for site for Benka village. So with the salute to Shea Omam where they watch the program now for DMCR for site for Nkambe. With the salute Mr. Enosa Ide for site for Dumbo. With the salute Dembe for Dumbo. With the salute Chief Doctor for Dumbo. And with the salute to Chief for Health Center for site for Chup Village. Where they watch the program with the salute all man where they for Chup Market Square. And those where they there for one thing Junction. And those were the day for site from Wangre, those were the day for site from Tamro, and those were the day from Banka. We salute those for Tabiken. Yes, we never forget we brought them for Tabiken, and for Njap, for site from Gi, and for site for Bongom. Yes, we salute we all. So they call me say General MOKO, the only general where they work and I will bring for sweep all dirty for country. Me country not the smell, and me country it is shine. We salute His Excellency Shea Jones Yembe where they do fine work for our site. We salute to Mark Caro Yembe where they watch the program. You know the miss and we salute all man for SNH. We salute to Sheikh Mbisakwa. They follow the program. And we salute to His Excellency Full Callistos gentleman. He don't try all and wrote again for Intaf. For site for Donga Mountain Division, we salute to His Excellency Paul Atanganji, where he don't try fight for peace, and peace he don't come. And we salute to the Prime Minister, head of government, where they do all and all. When I don't see peace, he don't come. And we salute all man where they work for Prime Minister office, even bodyguard them. Adjutant for site for Libya, Mr. Gaji Paul. So, Mr. Francois, me will go now go rest because small time. We now go get some program, we na sport program, we now avant match. We na Lauren Mindo could represent them. When I will get wait will be happened yesterday. The team them where they don't qualify for finals. So me will go rest because Matango Yes, it wipe dirty for inside body. Bye bye, we don't go.